I'll stay with that then. I'll hold you, yeah.
Right, let's check down low.
Yeah.
Another 2 in this room, so 4. And we'll just work our way down, yeah?
Yeah.
Police officer with taser, show yourself!
Go ahead. Yeah, we have to do it.
Right, come here now. Come here. Boat.
3, 1, 2, 3, go.
We've had one male jump in the river. Can you just dispatch him back? This is why I'm not sure if you guys on another stand by. He's you can come now.
Okay, listen to me at the moment. It's 25 minutes past 1. You're going to be under arrest on suspicion of cultivating cannabis. You do not have to say anything, but it may harm defence if you do not mention when questioned, some which you later relying in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Okay?